Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today we're going to do a green St. Patrick's Day inspired look. So we're going to dip into the James Charles X Morphe palette to create this look. I've already prepped and primed my eyelid. Oh, I closed the wrong eyelid then. I've concealed, so I've used the Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution just to counteract any discoloration on my eyelid. I do find this a little bit dry. Social Blade, Daddy, Gak and Wig. So the first colour I'm going in with is Social Blade, which is a light green shade, and I'm just going to pop that on the crease and upwards. All the way from outer to inner, and building that up to the colour you need. Then I'm going to dip into Daddy, which is like a darker, more Forester green, and just concentrate that into the crease. And as you'll notice, I'm literally just adding little by little and building that colour up and that shape as I want it. So once you've got that colour down, just going in with that first brush again and just blending just above it. I then dipped into that original shade, Social Blade, and added a little bit more to that. Blending it out and making it a little bit more smoky. I like to do this so I can build it up and smoke it out bigger and bolder as I go, so I don't start off too big and bold and then think, oh my god, I've ruined it. And then I'm going to go in with, is it Gak? I don't know, G-U-A-C, which is like a green gold. I'm going to pack that all over my lid. Then I'm going to go into the centre of that with Wig, which is a goldy bronzy colour. It's very nice, and I've just popped that onto that centre there, and then I'm going to build up that green again. Okay, I'm going to go in with Social Blade underneath the bottom lash line, quite a lot. And then that darker green Daddy going along the lash line. Okay, so I didn't really want to do this, but I thought it called for it. It's a special occasion. I'm going to add some glitter. I'm going to use the NYX glitter adhesive, or glitter primer as it's called. I'm going to use a little lip brush that I don't usually use. I'm just going to apply some primer quite liberally. And then decided to bring that Social Blade right down, so I smoked it out right down, almost touching where my highlight would be. So I wanted to really smoke it out and make it a bit more dramatic. First thing, it is the metallic glitter Paillettes in Lumi Lights. Focus. And then I just covered that entire area that I put the glitter primer down in that Lumi Lights. So I've got an assortment of different green and gold glitters. So I just added the glitter glue all the way down where I'd put that Social Blade. So I brought it quite far down and then just slowly added the different glitters. So the greens in the different sizes, those very small, some fibered ones, and some larger hexagons, and same with the gold. And I just popped that all over, and then some more of the Lumi Lights as well. Sorry, I just kept on going off camera because I was getting as close as I could to my mirror, and I didn't realise I wasn't actually on the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna pop some mascara on. Oh, I'm gonna pop green So I'm using the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Gotcha. Let me put some mascara on. I'm not going to put the mascara on my bottom eyelashes, I don't think. Here is the finished look. I've popped some top lashes on and I popped some little cut-offs on the bottom. When I say pop, I meant I just literally didn't even glue my lash down. Just to give it some extra. So I hope you enjoyed this. It's a little bit of fun. Obviously not an everyday pop to the shops to do your weekly shopping kind of look. Well, unless you like that. And that is the finished look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all next time. Bye!